Hi traders. So good afternoon for those in US and good evening for those in Europe and very late evening for those in Asia. So at my area now is midnight time, almost 2 o'clock in the morning. So this my trading setup providing me a good buying signal at somewhere here. I have queued my stop limit order at 67.32. So this is my queue area. So I'm expecting for the price to break this stop limit order, then go further north. And there's a few today's high, new high, and lower high. So hopefully the price can break through this level for the upper side. So I'm expecting around 30 ticks or 250 ticks of price movement during this last time during lunchtime in USA. So hopefully the price will go accordingly. So let's see for the next few minutes whether the entry can be triggered. So at this moment I'm still queuing at 67.32 with stop limit order. So maybe it's gonna take some time before the market to fly. So let's wait and see. I will pause this video and resume back later. Okay guys, we resume back. So the price just enter a new. Okay, we almost trigger my entry 67.32. Let's wait and wait. Now it's 67.31. Almost reaching my hit. So I'm filled. So let's put a stop loss at 67.08. So the price did move a bit faster. So this will be my stop loss. So I will take profit at somewhere at maybe 67.63 should be good enough. Enter around 32. I will take around 300. 300 should be enough. 67 62. 67.62. This means 300 US dollar. Oh, there's a lot of queue here, as you can see. 67.60. There's a 200 plus, so let's queue one tick below it. 67.60. It's a good thing. I think that should be enough. Okay, so let's wait and see. So today there's a profit around 270 already on buying position as well. So at this moment $30 in profit. So as you can see, this is my entry here. So I'm expecting for the price to go for the high. So we'll see for the next maybe 30 minutes. The price will reach my TP area somewhere here. This is TP area. So this is my entry. So around 30 ticks. Sorry, not 30 ticks. It's around 27, if I'm not mistaken. 27 ticks. So let's wait and see. And stop loss is here, just right at the bottom there. So I will pause this video and resume later on. Hey traders, we resume back again. So at this moment the price did break through resistance level. So as you can see, there is red line dot dash red line is the resistance level. So we just passed through this one. So there is a high potential for this to become a good profitable entry and trade. So my trading setup has provided me a good entry level here, and also providing me a TP somewhere here. So I'm still expecting for the price to reach this area maybe within 1 hour. If the price can fly, it'll be much more faster than that. So looks interesting at this moment. Looks interesting. So I will pause this video and we will resume later. Looks good, and I'm hoping for the price to go accelerate at this moment, so perhaps I can catch it live. So now it's try to move up. Okay guys, we'll pause this video and resume back once there is more action on the okay, now we see some movement. So there's looks fast at this moment, the price, the trade in and out from the market. So now it's 70.40, so we have profit around $70 in total, 310 since this morning. Sorry, since this early morning. For my time is early morning Asian time, London session, now US session. So I have trade in 3 sessions. Okay, I'm too tired at this moment. It should be my last entry. So I have 3 entry before, all is profit. So let's wait and see for this one. Hopefully it's also a profit entry. So I only managed to record this live record. The other one I haven't recorded because I focus on the trade and I have something else to do. Oh crap, my platform crash. So let's wait and see. Maybe the price moved too fast. So at this moment the price moved at 44. So let's wait and see. Hopefully the price came back. Come on, okay, I'm moving. It's not moving. It's not moving. It has been always. I don't know. Okay. Now we are back. Okay, the price go up and up. Now it's 43. So it looks good that the price almost reached this first higher level, the nearest high. So hopefully the price can break through this level and make it much more faster. Maybe I don't have to wait until 1 hour time. Maybe in 20 minutes everything will be done. So at this moment profit around 100 USD, so 110. So let's wait and see. I will pause this video once it pass through this nearest high. Then once they pass through this nearest high, then I will resume my video. Okay guys, thank you. We'll resume back later on. Okay guys, we resume back. So it's much more faster than I'm expecting. I thought I have enough time to go to the toilet and come back and do the recording. So at this moment the price already reaching this nearest high. So we can see that now it's moving to pass this level. Once it's past this level, it will go much more faster. It is for sure. That's what I'm expecting for the market to be. So let's wait and see. By the way, you are seeing 5-minute charts. This is a 5-minute chart. So that's why there's a lot of more candle. I'm using bar chart because it's more easier to see compared to candlestick. There's a shadow. Sometimes I might miss that one. So maybe I will capture everything live today. It's still not far away. Maybe another 12 ticks I will reach my TP area. This is my TP area. So I will not go for further breakout here. So I think that this level should be enough, because no matter what it is, how high it will go, I will capture as much the minimum profit as I want. And if the price want to go much more higher, so let it be. So I capture maybe around 200 or 300 should be good enough. So this one is 140 US dollar. Overall today is 380. We can see there's also high volume, 69, sorry, 70, 67, 64, 60. So I'm queuing at 67.59. So let's wait and see. Now a bit slow. Now the price movement a bit slow. But once it passed through this nearer side, I'm quite sure that it will blow off, explode to the north side. While waiting for the price to break through, so I will pause this video and we'll resume in maybe next few minutes or next few seconds. If the price explode, then it will be much more faster. Okay guys, we resume back. So the price did break through the first nearest high, which is here at 67.48. So now price at 67.50. The highest is 67.51. So we're expecting at this moment the profit around 160. So price did move slower than I am expected, but after all it already passed through this nearer side. Is quite a relief. So let's wait and see. Oh, I'm overstretching. So my TP is not far, just around here. So if you are currently watching my live video, so this is my entry. There's a small triangle there, so this is my TP. I'm expecting for the price to go here. So it's around 28 ticks, or in dollar 280 US dollar. Okay, there's a pullback been seen here. Hopefully it's not a strong pullback. Now I'm back to PNL 100 US dollar. Ooh. So now it's getting near to the resistance level, which is here around 67.39. Come on, price, let's go up and up. It's gonna take a while because there's a pullback, so I will pause this video and resume this video later on. Alright guys, we resume back. So market did move at a faster rate. So now the profit is 190, 170. So it looks the price tried to push on the higher side. So there's a lot of buyer as well to push on the stop limit higher side. So it's quite interesting at this moment. This is live recorded for December contract 2018. Well, by the way, if not mistaken, I forgot to mention that today is 26th of October 2018, and at this moment in my country is 2 a.m. in the morning. Quite tired. I'm trading since the beginning of my day here in Asia, and now midnight time. So more than 12 hours sitting in front of this laptop, screening all the commodities product, soya, CPO, and also crude market. We have 9 ticks more before reaching my TP area, so the profit looks good, 170, and the overall profit also looks as well good, 410 at this moment. So this is my second entry. So you can see here profit 140, sorry, 420, and this is current trading 190 in PNL, and one long position, one lot only. So we almost there, not far, just a small gap here. I will pause this video. So it seems like the price will take some time to reach there. Hopefully I can capture that live, but be ready. I'm ready always at the pause and play button just to record this victory. Yes sir. Okay, now we are reaching 200, already touched 200 PNL. By the way, I'm using one lot only, so if 5 lot, then should be a nice one. So now 210, a new high. So we are not far away. Now 53, 54. Market did move fast. So please don't crash my platform. Okay, we're almost there. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay. 200. So please stay with me for a while. I don't think it will take a longer time for the price to reach 59. Okay, crash again. Maybe my laptop not supported because I'm recording at this moment, and at the same time I'm opening 2 platform and 3 charts. It's quite heavy, and it is not really good for this kind of trading, high speed trading. So you have to move and act fast. But I have a backup with 2 phones. One is smartphone, one is Android, one is okay. This is not good. Keep hanging. By the way, we are not far. So I'm okay. Okay, there's a pullback. So the price did reach 54 and now pull back to 47. Hopefully the price will not go further down to this resistance level of 67.40. So let's go up and up. My platform still hang, so still maintain at 53. Okay, now it resume back. Okay, but still there's still high volume at 67.60. Hopefully the price will not go further down. Now it's going down to 67.45. Should exit 210 just now. So this enough time. Let's wait. I will pause this video and resume later on. Okay guys, we resume back again after a few seconds, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. So the price did come back up. So as you can see that there's a green candle here. So there's a high tendency for the price to go to my TP area. It's not far. Maybe they will spike by tonight. I don't care. But I just want my TP area at 59. Hopefully the price will go there. Please don't pull back again. Oh man. So now back to 160. This is the second time, so we have around 5 minutes to decide whether the market will reverse fully or not. Okay, I have limit down. My stop limit should be raised to 38. So the price keep coming down. So I don't want to lose any money. Wait, don't hang. So I will pause this video for a while. It's too heavy. I guess we resume back again. So the price hit my trailing stop at resistance level at 67.39. So small profit only from 90. So from 210 to now down to 90. So I exit the market. Now I'm happy. Then that's all. Thank you. Bye bye. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.